Although I'm not a film practitioner, I'm convinced that the presentation of media and film presents a wonderful opportunity of communicating and incentivizes us to consider, to talk about things which would normally be tabooed. I believe the more exposure to film and filmmaking, especially by our young artists and young producers, can and will, in the long run, make us a more tolerant society. Seeiso Media and Development, the host of this very important event, is an ideal platform for young people of Lesotho to show their talent, expose their ability and their creativity to the external and international community. I'm delighted that, as I'm delighted that we are hosting this event this year, I'm also saddened that through prior engagements, I'm not able to participate in this year's events. But I'm being told and I'm being assured that all has been done to ensure that we get the most maximum coverage both locally and internationally. I wish to reiterate, but also to emphasize, that young people, young talent must be sourced, must be encouraged, must be nurtured, because it's through young talent, young, energetic producers, that the film industry, the media industry, can really flourish. Because we as Basotho, we need to be bold and be on the front foot in telling our story. Young people of today must be encouraged through such events, through such activity, to be in the front of development and exploration, to tell the story of who and what we are as Basotho. So once again, although, like I said, I am yet deeply disappointed that I'm not with you today, but I wish you all the best, and I'm here to serve wherever it is required for me to serve. I thank you.